Okay, good morning everybody. We're doing ultimate box break number 9. I'm going to do it real quick. It's very early. It's 8:02 a.m. on Wednesday, August 15th. Everybody's paid up. This auction actually ended last night and it was scheduled to go for Thursday. But yeah, everybody's paid up, so let's do it early. So again, another 12-hour turnaround. Oh. So it's nice and quick. Let's see what's in here. For my wife and kids like that. First card. Base card. Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Second card. Autographed rookie. Devontae Smith-Pelly out of $2.99. Third card, Ultimate Signatures, Tampa Bay Lightning, Brett Connolly. Well, this is quite nice. Fourth card, Premium Swatches Authentic Patch, Pekka Rinne. I believe it's out of 25. 25. Look at that patch, guys. Absolutely beautiful. If anybody requires tracking or insurance on any of these, please let me know. Everything's probably going to go out either probably tomorrow, I imagine, in the mail. So again, thank you very much. I have box break 10 and 11 closing tonight on eBay. Get in and get a patch like that. Holy cow. Have a good night. Day, I guess. Sorry.